Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Zach, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. In today's video, we are going to be doing a review on a pair of shoes. We are going to be doing a review on the Nike Air Force 1 2023 Halloween edition. If you haven't seen the last video that I posted, go ahead and check that out. It was a review on the Nike Terminator High Be True edition. Hi, Porter. Hi. Someone's pretty talkative. He wants to... You don't want to say hi anymore now? No? Okay. Yeah. Anyways, if you haven't seen the last video I posted, it was a review on the Nike Terminator High Be True edition for Pride Month. I really enjoyed that video, so go ahead and check it out. In today's video, we are going to be doing a review on the Nike Air Force 1 2023 Halloween edition. First, I wanted to show you the box and just do a quick unboxing. I have already opened them and worn them for a little bit, so I did want to talk about how comfortable they are and just give a review on the fit as well. This is my first pair of Nike Air Force 1s. I have had of course, the Nike Terminator Highs and then the Nike Jordan 1s. For my first pair of Nike Air Force 1s, they are very comfortable and I really like the fit. We'll start with the box. It's a very simple, just black box, says Nike Air Force 1. For my pair, I did get a size 10. You open it up, just simple white paper. I kind of wish they did a little bit more with the packaging this year. Kind of like you saw with the Nike Be True, the packaging was a little bit more custom to fit the shoes. But you open it up and you're presented with your shoes just like always. Pretty standard shoe unboxing. What made me really want these shoes is just the little details. What stood out to me first is the little pumpkin charm on the laces, which really brought me to buy the shoes. Another detail that I really liked on the shoes is the little dragon scales embossed into the material. On the bottom of your shoe, you'll have your green and purple colors for that sole. And I'll show some more close-ups so you can see a lot better the little details, because I really like the insole as well. You really can't see it unless you take it out of the shoe, but the insole has that pumpkin on it kind of to match that charm, and a cool little scene as well, so I'll show you those too. Overall, I really found these shoes very comfortable. Like I said, they're my first pair of Nike Air Force 1s. I don't really have too many complaints about how comfortable the shoes are. They're new, so they're still a little bit stiff. I always expect that with new shoes. Other than that, they're very comfortable to wear. Because they're black, I like it because you can really wear them with lots of different things, so they're really easy to style. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I tried to just show you all the little details of the shoe and at least my quick thoughts of the wear and how comfortable they are. So I really hope you enjoyed that. Go ahead and leave a like if you did enjoy this video, as well as a comment if you would like to see any videos in the future or if you have any constructive criticism for me. I really hope you enjoyed this review. Again, my name is Zach. If you did enjoy my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well, but I'll see you next time.